Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate with a score of -3.68. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 4.88%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.44% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has breached the broad and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is suggested, but we may also see false breaks and sell-offs. Nonetheless, a further decline appears plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, $155.22, should be viewed as a second chance to exit. According to fan theory, $129.28 may represent the new lower limit of the upcoming trend, although it is still too early to confirm this with certainty. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 18.42% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -17.95% and -4.24%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 8.76%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 11.29% to 47.20% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $171.75 and $227.18. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, "Red Day on Friday for Google stock after losing 4.88%. The Google stock price fell by 4.88% on the last day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, decreasing from $162.24 to $154.33. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.35%, with a day low of $153.64 and a day high of $161.85. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.74% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 23 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 48 million shares were traded, totaling approximately $7.35 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $207.05, while the lowest price was $147.22. Currently, the price is 25.46%, or $52.72, below the 52-week high, and 86.35%, or $976.32, below the all-time high reached on January 15, 2018, which was $1,130.65. Shares of Alphabet, trading under the Google ticker, are experiencing notable volatility today. As of Friday, March 28, 2025, digital advertising giants, including Alphabet, have seen their stocks plunge by approximately 4.8%, influenced by broader market trends. This decline is compounded by recent developments, including a $100 million preliminary settlement in a long-standing class action lawsuit related to advertising practices, potentially impacting investor confidence in the company's financial management. On a more optimistic note, Adam Coons has advised investors to remain steadfast in their portfolios, asserting that current tariff discussions could be deflationary, thereby mitigating long-term risks to investments. This perspective may help stabilize investor sentiment regarding Alphabet's future performance despite current stock price pressures. Moreover, Alphabet has announced plans to acquire the cybersecurity startup Wiz for $32 billion. This significant move aligns with the company's strategic focus on enhancing its cybersecurity offerings, which could lead to improved revenue streams and a stronger market position in the long run. Additionally, Lockheed Martin's decision to implement Google's artificial intelligence for national security applications highlights the growing reliance on Alphabet's technology, which bodes well for its business prospects. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported giving Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January 2025, JMP Securities reported providing Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, UBS reported giving Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the stock's near-term development. Google's stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. There is also a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of 163.81 cents and 172.27 cents. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25th, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 9.52%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 18 days ago. Be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. Typically, this stock is traded with considerable volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the overall risk is assessed to be low. Over the past day, the stock exhibited a movement of $8.22, which is a change of 5.35% between its highest and lowest points. During the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock stood at 2.68%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $170.28. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Ashkenazi Anat, who bought and sold 55,251 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 14.463. In total, insiders acquired 1,454,948 shares and divested 1,083,122 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is caught within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect Google to open higher by approximately $2.28, beginning at a price of $156.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.